Hello YouTube. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to install Windows 11 on a older computer, and for this demo we'll be using a Dell Latitude E5430. With this newer version of Windows, it does not support being installed on an older computer. So what we're going to do in this tutorial is try to bypass that and be able to use this recent operating system by Microsoft, this recent Windows version on our older computer with a lower spec. So let's dive right in. You first of all need to get rid of Windows 11 ISO file and installation media in order to put that and yada yada, and you know what the process is. Yeah, so the file has been booted, so we'll now move on to the Dell Latitude E5430 in order to start the installation process. Okay, yeah, so what I'm gonna do is actually remove the hard drive that is on the Latitude Dell computer and insert it into this Lenovo T440 computer that I'm recording on at the moment. So with that, I'll start the installation process on this Lenovo computer, and it will work just fine because this is a higher specs computer that I'll be able to install the Windows 11. After the installation has been completed successfully, I'll remove the hard drive from the Lenovo computer and then reinsert it into the Dell Latitude computer. And after reinserting the hard drive into the Dell Latitude computer, the Windows 11 will work just fine, no errors, and we'll get to that in a couple of minutes. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, it's an i5 computer, Dell Latitude E5430. I've been missing it all along, saying 6. Never mind. Yeah, so it's loading up, and yeah, it's loaded already. Windows 11. Here we are. Yeah, it works just fine, and nothing at all, no glitch. Yeah, so you also will be able to use Windows 11 on your older computer. How cool is that? So if this tutorial does help in any way, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.